Welcome to your video editing journey with Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, and welcome to the epic adventure that is learning Premiere Pro. I am your guide, and I am pumped to see you all here. Before we dive headfirst into editing magic, let's make sure you are set up for success. First things first, snag the latest Premiere Pro on your computer. Adobe updates like clockwork. So, we will keep this course fresh with updated lessons whenever new features drop. Now take a peek at course outline. Think of it as a blueprint of your editing masterpiece. We'll start with the building blocks, the layer on audio, transitions, graphics, and polish everything until it shines. I have packed this course with essentials, but I also tossed in some bonus lessons for those who crave a deeper dives. Don't worry if it seems intense. Feel free to skip them and conquer later when you are ready. Plus, based on your feedback, I'll keep adding more bonus magic. Speaking of feedback, my door is always open. Questions, concerns, things I missed, hit me up. Your input helps me craft the best possible learning experience for everyone. Alright, adventurers, are you prepped? Buckle up because we are about to unlock the secrets of Premiere Pro. Embark on a journey of editing awesomeness. Get ready to have some serious fun.